Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is an instant chicken pulao recipe which is very delicious and will be prepared in just 30 minutes. Now for that I have taken around 600 grams of chicken that is washed and dried. Into this I will add around 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger garlic. It should be crushed or you can even use ginger garlic paste, and salt as required. A quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 cup of curd. Now we'll give all this a good mix and keep it aside. Now this chicken pulao is very easy and it will be prepared instantaneously. You can make this pulao when you don't have the time and you are in a hurry. Now in a pressure cooker I have taken half cup of mustard oil. You can use any oil that you have, and 3 finely chopped onions along with 3 green chilies. I have chopped the green chilies also. And while the onions are getting cooked in the oil, we will wash our rice. Now see, the onions are changing color. In the meantime, we will wash our rice. I've taken 2 cups of basmati rice here, Belgaum basmati. You can use any rice that you have. It can either be basmati, sona masuri, anything. Now just wash 2 cups of rice and keep it aside. And now when you see that the onions have changed their color and they're browning a little, at this point of time we will put in the marinated chicken into the pressure cooker. Give it a good mix. Now I've just rinsed the vessel in which I had marinated the chicken and I have added the water. It is around less than a half cup of water. Now we'll close the pressure cooker and cook it on a medium-low heat for 3 whistles. Now while our chicken is getting cooked in the pressure cooker, simultaneously in another vessel we will take around 4 tablespoons of oil. Into this we'll add 1 small onion, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I have taken 10 French beans that I have cut into medium sized pieces. You can use any vegetables like sweet corn, potatoes, carrots, whatever you have. I have French beans here, so I've added that, or you can add more vegetables to this. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and now just saute it a little in the oil. And into this I have added around 4 cups of water. It is according to the rice that you have taken. Belgaum basmati rice takes the ratio is 1:2, so according to the rice that you have taken you should add the water accordingly. And into this goes 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now close it with the lid and let it come to a boil. See, now the water is boiling. To this we will add the washed and rinsed rice. This is a very instant chicken biryani. It will be prepared in no time at all. It is so delicious. You're going to really enjoy this lunch. Now while the rice is getting cooked, the pressure cooker has taken 3 whistles and our chicken is completely done. See, this is how it is. Now we will pour the chicken gravy and the chicken directly into the cooking rice and give it a good mix again. And at this point of time you can adjust the flavors of this pulao. You can do the adjustments if you feel that there is something lacking in it, like salt, red chili powder, garam masala powder. You can add the masalas according to your taste preference. A half of a lemon also goes into this. green coriander and some kasuri methi as well. Give it a good mix and let it cook till the water evaporates and the gravy becomes a little thick and syrupy, like this. And now when you see that the water has reduced a little, at this point of time you will put the lid on this vessel and cook it on a low flame for another 5 to 10 minutes, and your chicken pulao is completely ready to be served. This is not a very dry pulao, it is a very nice and a very juicy pulao, and you're going to just love the flavors and you're going to have a wholesome meal instantaneously. I hope you like my recipe and I hope you try it out when you are in a hurry. And please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, goodbye.